Good morning, boys and girls. This is for Wednesday, February 12th assignment. It was good to see so many of you guys yesterday during the Google Meeting conferences. I'll just go over what I'm expecting you guys to do today. Again, this is to go at your own pace. So if you see a timestamp on it, don't worry. It's just for those of us who kind of want to see how much time we should or maybe could spend on the assignment. Again, go at your own pace, and if you wake up later, that's okay. So I thought it'd be nice to start our mornings with devotionals. You guys can go ahead and do the kids devotion at the link attached. I think it's just good to start our day seeking God's face and in prayer. I know that always makes a huge difference for me. For Bible class, you will be reading the parable of the lost sheep, so make sure you're following directions here. I won't have you submit it yet, so wait for further directions on that later. Make sure you take a break in the morning, have a snack, play a game with a family member, have a short brain break. And today is the day 6, and so you do have music on day 6s. And so make sure you're checking work from Mrs. Yap. For Writer's Workshop, I noticed that I accidentally put an example in the template section. And so I was just getting this video lesson. And so I took that out. So please go ahead and finish the drafting the story across pages, clear beginning, middle, and end. And if you're wondering, wait, Miss Yang, I don't really understand which one that is, that's okay. Go to your or Tuesday's assignment, and it's going to be right here. It's going to be right here. It's just going to explain it. Also, if you go onto the Seesaw, all the directions and videos are on the slides there. So you guys can go ahead and check that. For those of you guys who already submitted something, I'll just make sure to delete that because it wasn't the work that you guys needed to submit anyway. For math today, we're going to be doing something for Khan Academy. So I put our class link and our class code. You should be able to log in with your email in your portal. Go to the assignments, and I've given 3 assignments to you. The last one is optional. So if you want to do a challenge, go ahead and make sure you're doing that. Feel free to message me if you are having troubles or questions with that. You also have Chinese work from Miss Lucia today. Make sure you guys are doing that. And you have a recess and break. And you do have another science lesson today. So we're kind of alternating with science just so that you guys have a couple of days to catch up and that Miss Yang has some time to grade your work. From 3 to 3:30, Miss Yang will be on this Google Meet conference, and I can help you guys with any questions on logging in or any classwork. So make sure you're writing down any questions that you guys may have, and I'll be available from 3 to 3:30. And if you're busy at that time or you see this video too late, go ahead and email me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. All right, boys and girls, thanks for working so hard. I'll see you guys soon. Also for reading, I didn't have reading here today because I know a couple of you guys are still taking some time to get your character book. Tomorrow, make sure you guys have your character book because I'll be doing a lesson with you guys on what we're going to be doing with this unit. All right, bye.